How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and then make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go through the three lines and select setting and privacy. Now if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see hide story and live option. Simply hit on that. From here, you have to select all of the friends you have in your Instagram and hit on the done. Now, hit on the plus icon on the bottom of your page and add a story. Now, no one will see your story that you have added. Then once you have added a story, you can easily add it to the highlights. This is the only way to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.